Want to be your own boss? Set your own hours? Make serious money? Consulting might be your ticket. Consultants are experts who get paid to solve problems. They help businesses improve, grow, and make more money. The best part? You can consult on almost anything you're good at. Think about your skills. What do people ask for your advice on? Maybe you're a social media whiz, a marketing master, or a financial guru. Whatever your expertise, there's a business out there that needs your help, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. But here's the catch. Becoming a successful consultant takes hustle. You need to find clients, market your services, and deliver amazing results. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. So, are you ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in. First things first, you gotta figure out what you're selling. What's your area of expertise? What problems can you solve better than anyone else? Don't overthink it. Start with your passions and skills. Are you a tech wizard? Offer IT consulting? Passionate about sustainability? Become a green business consultant? Love crunching numbers? Financial consulting is your jam. The possibilities are endless. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to get specific. What industries can you serve? What kind of clients do you want to attract? The more focused you are, the easier it will be to market your services and stand out from the competition. Remember, you don't have to be a world-renowned expert to start consulting. You just need to be one step ahead of your clients. So what are you waiting for? It's time to identify your niche and get ready to dominate. You've got the skills, you've found your niche, now it's time to shout it from the rooftops. Marketing is how you reach potential clients and convince them you're the answer to their prayers. And in today's digital age, it's easier than ever to get your name out there. First up, build a killer website. This is your online storefront, so make it sleek, professional, and easy to navigate. Showcase your expertise, highlight your services, and include testimonials from satisfied clients. Next, harness the power of social media. Create profiles on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, wherever your target audience hangs out. Share valuable content, engage in conversations, and position yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Don't forget about good old-fashioned networking. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and rub shoulders with potential clients. Remember, every conversation is a chance to plant a seed and grow your business. Section 4, Brand Building. You are the product. In the consulting world, you are the product. Your brand is everything. It's what sets you apart from the competition and makes clients choose you over everyone else. So how do you build a brand that screams, "Hire me"? Start by crafting a compelling brand story. What's your unique background? What are your values? What drives you to succeed? Share your story authentically and connect with clients on a personal level. Next, develop a strong visual identity. This includes your logo, website design, and overall aesthetic. Make sure it's professional, memorable, and reflects your brand personality. Consistency is key. From your website copy to your social media posts to your in-person interactions, everything you do should reinforce your brand message and values. Remember, building a strong brand takes time and effort, but it's one of the most valuable investments you can make in your consulting business. Section 5, Networking Ninja Connect to Collect. Attention all consultants. Networking isn't optional, it's essential. Building relationships is the lifeblood of your business. The more people you connect with, the more opportunities come knocking. First, master the art of online networking. Connect with potential clients and industry peers on LinkedIn. Join relevant groups, participate in discussions, and share valuable insights. Next, attend industry events like a rockstar, conferences, workshops, seminars. These are your hunting grounds for valuable connections. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations, exchange business cards, and follow up afterwards. Remember, networking is about building genuine relationships, not just collecting business cards. Be authentic, be helpful, and be genuinely interested in the people you meet. Section 6, Pricing Power, Know Your Worth. Here's the million-dollar question. How much should you charge for your consulting services? Pricing can be tricky, but it doesn't have to be a guessing game. Here are a few strategies to help you find your sweet spot. First, research your competition. What are other consultants in your niche charging? This will give you a benchmark for your own pricing. Next, consider your experience and expertise. The more you bring to the table, the higher your rates can be. Don't undervalue your skills and knowledge. Finally, think about the value you're providing. Are you helping your clients save money, increase revenue, or achieve their business goals? Quantify your value proposition and price accordingly. Remember, you can always adjust your pricing as you gain experience and build your reputation. The most important thing is to be confident in your worth and communicate your value effectively to clients. Section 7. The Consultant Life. Freedom and Challenges. The consulting life is like a roller coaster. It's full of exhilarating highs and stomach-churning lows. But for those with an entrepreneurial spirit and a hunger for freedom, it can be the most rewarding ride of their lives. On the plus side, you're your own boss. You set your own hours, choose your clients, and have complete control over your career trajectory. You're constantly challenged intellectually, working on diverse projects and expanding your skill set. And the earning potential? Sky's the limit. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Consulting can be demanding, requiring long hours, relentless hustle, and a high tolerance for uncertainty. Finding clients and managing your workload can be stressful, especially in the beginning. The key is to find a balance that works for you. Set boundaries, manage your time effectively, and prioritize self-care. And remember, the rewards of being your own boss and building a successful business make all the challenges worthwhile. So, buckle up, embrace the ride, and enjoy the freedom and fulfillment that comes with being a consultant.